We're going to show you the newest Rotax engine out, the new 916.
Welcome everybody. What you see here is the 916 engine, the newest product from Rotax. It's coming up right now. It'll be available in the US from August on. It will contain 160 horsepower on takeoff, 137 maximum continuous. Pretty much if you compare it to a 915, it's about the same weight, a little bit more because we got a bigger exhaust. The rest pretty much is the same, so it will fit existing 915 installations. But there's quite a few OEMs who are already working on the installation of the aircraft. Some of them will announce during the week, some might announce a little bit later. But I think in essence what we do expect is all the OEMs who are offering the 915 today will also offer the 916 down the line pretty soon. First one who introduced it officially already was the Carbon Cup with their new ultralight LSA aircraft. The cost, this one will be offered as an ASTM version for $49.95 here in the US. However, that already comes with the warranty intention, which we call Rotax Care, which offers a 5 years warranty or up to TBO, whatever comes first, and a free of charge Bose headset.